so excited for this. You're right up in there. You can see my pores. This is so exciting. I'm a little scared. I'm not gonna lie. Now I'm doing a dolphin look. Didn't mean to. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. But hello beautiful people, welcome to another new makeup Monday. This is my series I post every single Monday where I test new makeup or I talk about new makeup like a will I buy or an anti-haul. But for today's video, I'm going to be doing a 2 looks 1 palette with the new Natasha Denona Circo Loco palette. I told you guys I was going to get it. I did mention in my will I buy it last week that I had ordered it, but I had family in town and I wasn't about to sit down and film a video while they were in town, so I really couldn't do this before today. I'm actually filming, editing, and uploading on the same day, which is absolutely insane, but I've done it before and I know I can do it. So I'm gonna be creating 2 completely different looks. I'm also gonna be doing some swatches, so I'm really excited to test this out. If you guys know me, you know I like color. This is my first Natasha Denona full-size palette. If I keep messing with this, just ignore me. I know it's like a weird habit, but like I need this to stay in place. It's so annoying. The shirt's weird. I'm also filming on a new lens. I'm really excited about that. Lots of changes happening. Anyway, yeah, as I was saying, I had family in town last week. I couldn't get this up. I also pre-filmed a bunch of videos and I just couldn't get them edited and uploaded. So everything's all out of whack. I was supposed to have a different video up today. As you're watching this, it was another testing new makeup with the Jaclyn Hill products and some other foundations and stuff. Couldn't get it up, so it'll be up next week. I'm sorry that everything's all out of whack, but just know that I have some content pre-filmed, so you're gonna be seeing a lot more of me, I promise. I wanted to take like the week. I was really tired from showing my family around the area and I couldn't sit down and edit, and it just didn't happen. All right, but I know you came here to see this palette, so I'm gonna stop rambling. If you enjoy color and creative looks and things like that, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell for videos 3 times a week, and let's get into this video. I'm so excited for it. I'm gonna do like swatches line by line, talking to you about like this whole color story. I'm really excited about this, guys. Like I love the packaging. I think it's super pretty. Again, this is my first full-size $125 Natasha Denona palette. It's quite pricey. I know it's quite an investment for a lot of people, and I know a lot of people are gonna have, you know, the issue of like, do I really want to spend this kind of money on something that's this colorful that I'm not really going to get a whole lot of use out of? I just think that there's so much you can do with this palette. If you enjoy color, if you enjoy playing with makeup, I mean, I might eat my words later because I don't know. I've never tried this before, but just looking at it, I can see so many. I was trying to pre-plan some looks that I wanted to create, and I was like, you know what? I'm just going to do whatever feels right in here. We're going to just like play with some color. I haven't even swatched anything, so I'm really excited. Let's go ahead and start swatching. So in the first row, we have Firework, which is a vibrant orange with a creamy matte finish. We have Razzle Dazzle, which is a vibrant fuchsia with a metallic finish. Then we have Acrobat, which is a cobalt blue with a cream matte finish. You could see that there's like some sort of like satiny situation going on there. It's definitely something that I would use in the crease anyway, even though it has a little bit of satin. I'm not a huge fan of shimmer in the crease. If you didn't know that already, I just don't do that. I think that that would work in the crease pretty well. We have Snow Cone, which is a frosty sky blue with a metallic finish. And then we have Cotton Candy, which is an icy pastel pink with a creamy matte finish. I really do think that that is very light, even for my skin tone. It's very light. I think that maybe on someone a little darker, it might actually show up pretty well as a transition shade. In the second row, we have Electric, which is a royal blue with a metallic finish. We have Grin, which is a vintage gold with a metallic finish. That's like a green gold to me, but yeah. Then we have Cannon, which is a vintage bronze with a metallic finish. Then we have Flip, which is an electric medium teal with a metallic finish. Let me tell you, I think that's my favorite shade in the palette. Then we have Fun to Mime, which is an aqua pastel blue with a creamy matte finish. That is like really similar to Acrobat. So both of those blues are not like entirely matte. They just have like a satin finish. That is the second row. In the last row, we have Spiral, which is an orange with a metallic finish. Magic, which is a vibrant blue purple with a creamy matte finish. I love that shade, but it is a little bit patchy, so we'll see how that works. We have Aerialist, which is a frosty pastel lavender with a metallic finish. I love that. Then we have Act, which is a deep vibrant violet with a metallic finish. Such a stunning shade. Then we have Joker, which is a vibrant pink with a creamy matte finish. So that is the third row. That is all the shades swatched. So I'm not gonna lie to you, I did see some videos on this palette palette, and a lot of people were having issues with the mattes. When I swatched this just now, I thought it was okay. Like, it wasn't as bad as people were making it seem. Like, maybe those people didn't swatch it very well. I don't know. I'm gonna do a halo eye first. I'm gonna start with this eye. But I'm gonna bring you closer because now I have a lens that zooms. Isn't that so exciting? Wrong way, my bad. This is so comfy cozy, right? You're right up in there. You can see my pores. This is so exciting. First shade I'm gonna take is Cotton Candy, and like I said, a lot of people were saying that this is just, it doesn't show up very well. It has a lot of kickback, so hopefully it's not too much fallout. I mean, you can't even really see it. Okay, maybe it does show up a little bit, but maybe I'm gonna eat my words. But I am going to take this all over the crease. This is like the only transition shade. I'll be honest with you, I really hardly ever use transition shades, so I can't even tell you like that really bothers me. So next I'm going to be taking the shade Joker. I'm a little scared of this one. It's got a lot of pigment. I'm going to press it on the inner and outer corners because I'm going to be doing the halo eye like I said. However, what was I going to say? I was going to say something so relevant and then my train of thought got lost. So I'm pressing it in and then I'm blending. Yeah, I really don't remember what I was gonna say. It must have not been that important. So I'm gonna slowly drag it to the middle because I'm doing the halo eye like I said. Very repetitive in this video. To be honest, this is stunning. Blending out super nicely. I'm really impressed with this. I'm gonna take a little bit more cotton candy and just like make sure everything, the outer edges are really nice and blended. All right, now I'm gonna take a Morphe M506 brush and the shade Magic. I'm a little scared, I'm not gonna lie. Please be good to me. And I'm gonna take that like right where I took the pink. I still want the pink to peek through, obviously, but I'm gonna spend some time, you know, packing this on, blending, adding probably a little bit more pink, but inner and outer corner, purple, pack, blend, add more pink, etc. Loving this color combo too. I'm not sure what shade I'm gonna take in the middle yet. I'm kind of torn, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I don't know. I want it to be like, oh, I think I got an idea. So I did spend quite some time blending, but we finally got this result. I'm really happy with how this is turning out so far. I don't think there's a lot of fallout, but the shades are really pigmented. I'm just gonna take a little bit of concealer in the middle. I love doing this with my halo eyes so that they pop a little bit more. I kind of decided what shade I'm gonna take, and I think it's gonna look so cool. I'm gonna take a couple actually. The first shade I'm gonna take is Flip. Oh my gosh, this has to be my favorite shade in the entire palette. I'm gonna take it without setting spray and see what happens. This color combo though, that's super pretty. I like it. This is a color combo I never thought I would like, but it's pretty. Now that that's laid down though, I'm not gonna leave it like this. I'm not crazy, I promise. I'm gonna take the shade Magic, which is the purple, and just, you know, blend that into the teal. Teal is like my favorite color in the world. I don't know why. It's so pretty. I love purple and teal. And honestly, this look is giving me life. Oh, I got some fallout on my face. No. I really like how these two shades together are kind of making like some sort of blue over here. Ooh, that is nice. All right, and then in the very center, I'm gonna take Snow Cone. Ooh, this look is, I mean, this shade right, oh, look at that. That just adds so much to the look. And just make sure those two are really nice and blended. Let's see if this fallout. Oh, okay, good. It did not stain my face. How happy am I? All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit of Snow Cone. Hopefully, because it's on the other side of this crazy teal shade. I'm gonna take a little bit on the brow bone. I saw somebody do this in one of their looks and I was like, heart eyes emoji. Okay, that needs to get blended because clearly, what? I'm just so white that like maybe this just doesn't work for me. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of Snow Cone to the inner corner as well, even though I haven't even done my lower lash line yet. I'm gonna grab a different brush. I can't do this. Yes, much better. I don't know why I haven't done my lower lash line yet. I thought I was gonna do something different for once in my life, and I don't think I am. I'm just gonna take the same shades I took in the crease, starting with the purple, and I'm just gonna take it all the way across. I was gonna do like the halo effect. I just generally don't like the way that looks on me for some reason. I'm gonna go find a waterline, like a colored waterline liner. I can't speak. Okay, so I'm gonna take the Catsuit cream gel liner from ColourPop. Let's see how this looks on the lower lash line, on the waterline I mean. So stunning. All right, so this is it for look 1. I'm definitely gonna be adding some lashes and some mascara, but let's move on to look number 2 before I do all that. Sorry, I'm eating a Werther's because I feel the need to eat a Werther's. I don't know. All right, the first shade I'm gonna start off with on this eye is Cotton Candy. Once again, I just think it's kind of like helps blend everything together. I'm gonna take this all over the crease with a really fluffy brush. This is from e.l.f. I don't think they sell this one anymore though. Next, I'm gonna take the shade Firework, and that's gonna go in the inner like half of my crease. I've been dying to do an orange look. Orange is my favorite eyeshadow shade. I don't know why. I love that so much. Oh, I'm so nervous for this. I'm gonna take the shade Fun to Mime. That's the one that's like not completely matte. I'm gonna put this on the outer half. That's pretty. Oh, that's like a pastel-y dream. So pretty. I'm gonna deepen it out obviously because I can't leave it like that. I don't think. I'm just experimenting. All right, I'm gonna take the shade Acrobat. I'm scared for this one too. I'm gonna take that on the outer corner and bring it up into the crease. Yeah, all right, these are dolphin colors. Miami Dolphins. I never really cared for them even though I lived in Miami. Grew up in Miami. Now I'm doing a dolphin look. Didn't mean to, but you know, we're gonna go with it. So these satin, or like not satin, I call them satin, but they're like not quite mattes. They have like a little hint of shimmer in them. They're actually really nice in the crease. They don't like do anything. The reason I don't like shimmer in the crease is because I have like kind of hooded eyes, like they're getting wrinkly and like I'm getting old, and they just don't look good on me. So I don't know about this color combo either, but we're gonna go with it for now. Not 100% sure, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease now. Okay, now I'm gonna go back in with the Acrobat shade, the teal shade. Just deepen it out a little bit. I feel like it's getting really lost. All right, on the lid, you know what? I'm gonna start with the outer corner and I'm gonna take the shade Act, which is that purple. It actually has like a little bit of a duochrome. It's really pretty. It has like a blue shift. I don't know if you guys can see that. I did not even need a setting spray. I do feel like Acrobat should be more pigmented than what it is. There's something about a lighter crease, like lighter colors in the crease and darker colors on the lid that I don't like. So this is, I'm not sure about this look. I'm just kind of experimenting here. I might end up putting a little bit of the purple, like the matte purple. Let's do it, because otherwise I'm not gonna be happy and I will regret it. I'm gonna take a little bit of Magic and just kind of buff that into the crease right here so it like looks a little bit more cohesive, I guess, because this does not look cohesive. It's looking better though. A little bit of fallout here. Then we're gonna take a little bit of Razzle Dazzle. I'm trying to use as many colors as possible and I think I'm succeeding fairly well. I don't know if I want to take something else like in the very inner part. I might. We'll see when we get there. I love this shade. It's so pretty. I'm gonna take a little bit of the shade Joker, which is that pink, that matte pink, and just put it over here. I don't like the lid to look darker than the crease. And this is how it's turning out today. I don't know what I was thinking with these shade selections. This is turning into like a super hot mess, but we're gonna fix it because this is what we do. Makeup is fun. You experiment, you fix it, and then you move on with your life. You either like it or you don't. You can wash it off. It washes off at the end of the day, you know? Okay, so I decided to leave it as is and just intensify the Razzle Dazzle. That's a really pretty shade. Like, that might be my second favorite. My first favorite is definitely, what's it called? Flip. Okay. So the fallout in this palette, okay, I'm like, okay. Like, I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. But got me impressed, that's for sure. Now, do I want to be basic or do I want to be not basic? I think I'm going to be not basic. Hold on. I don't normally do this, but I'm gonna take the shade Act, which is the shimmery purple, and put this on the lower lash line. I don't know why I just don't take shimmery shades on the lower lash line, but this is pretty. It's smoking it out quite a bit. It's just different, and I'm in the mood to experiment and be different today. I don't know why. I just am. All right. And then in the inner corner, I'm gonna take the shade Aerialist. I love the tone of this. This is like a gray silver with purple tone. I just love it. I love it so much. I don't know what I'm doing today, but I love this experiment. For the waterline, I'm gonna take the, oh, I don't even know what this is. It is completely rubbed off. It's an orange eyeliner from ColourPop. Completely rubbed off. Whoa, let me take out, well, I don't know why I'm trying to do this with my left hand. Some of the fallout kind of stained it, but it's okay. I think this one might be a little expired. I can't remember when I even got this one. Do they even still have this one available? I don't even know the name of it, so why am I asking? I have no idea what I did. I'm not even gonna lie. Is it my favorite look I've ever done? I don't think so. But okay. All right, I'm gonna go put on some lashes and probably a lip just to like complete this look, and I'll be right back. All right, so these are the final looks. I'm really happy with this palette. I think that it is a really nice colorful palette. If these are your colors, if the colors speak to you, I say go for it. The formula is great. I did not have any issues with any particular shadows whatsoever when I was applying them. Just that one little swatch with the purple. I mean, even then it wasn't that bad as other people's. I don't know if I think it is worth the price point. I have to be honest with you. I've never bought a full-size Natasha Denona palette for this reason, but like when I saw the colors, I was like, man, they speak to me, so like I had to do it. I also had a discount because it was my first time buying from the Natasha Denona website, so I did get it for a little bit less than $125. I recommend getting it on sale. The Sephora VIB sale is coming up soon, so that's definitely something you can take advantage of. If these colors speak to you, definitely pick it up then. But other than that, like, I love the palette. I think it's a really nice formula. It's really luxury. It's beautiful, and I love the looks I created with it. Which look was your favorite? Please let me know. I think I prefer these vibes. Not really sure what I did here, but I think, I mean, I rock it, right? I mean, maybe. But yeah, that completes this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Alright, so, alright, why did I say it like that? Alright. I definitely...
Bloopers! Ah! Oh my god. Finally.